Hey guys, this morning I want to show you guys how to make something that I've been making most of my life now. My mom showed me how to make it when I was a young kid, but it's called an egg in the hole, and up north I think they call it an egg in a basket or something, but let me show you how to make it. Alright, the things you'll need. Take our bread, we tear a hole out of the center, big enough to put an egg in. Now we butter one side of the bread. Once the pan is hot or to medium heat there, we're going to spray it down with some cooking spray. We put the bread on the frying pan. We crack us one egg. We add a little bit of salt and pepper. Let it cook on one side. Start to see the egg turning white on the inside of the hole. All right, we get ready to flip it. And once it's done cooking on both sides, put it on the plate and enjoy.